Hello everyone, welcome back to horse farming. I'm sure that's correct terminology. So frame rate's bad, I still haven't gotten my RAM. But I deleted the game, reinstalled it. And that seems to have cured most of the issues, at least on my end. The recording's usually worse. But yeah, my save for this series got corrupted. Luckily we only did one episode, but thought we'd start fresh on Green River, I believe. And so yeah, first things first, go buy some horses. Go for this one we went with last time. We will get 5 horses. Again, you guys can name them. Comment down below. Keep these names for now. So I have bought 2 tractors when I bought this farm. So we'll just so here's the first one over here at Sawmill. Bought this used from them. They bought it back where it was new for the Sawmill, stopped using it in like early 2000s. It's a 6810 Ford. So Ford's over very good, pardon me. And the blurry dash, that I didn't have that problem earlier. I believe that is just the hang on, I need to alter my phone. I believe that is just the fact that I'm recording, so sorry about that. Volume master. Okay. So yeah, it works. It's very bad condition. Apparently they only did minor repairs to it when they used it. So yeah. And I've just realised I've started off driving in 4th gear. Okay. Make sure we're in the high dual power. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so we were. Apparently the lights sometimes stick on a dual power or don't go to the correct ones on this tractor, so okay, we'll just shift up. And we do need to buy more kit from the dealership. So what we need, we don't need a horse box yet, we only have 1 pen. So need bale trailer, bales, got a bale fork, front loader tractor, that the dealership, actually, oh no, I forgot, I made them the dealership's tractors, dealership's tractor even. We could get a front loader for this tractor. Yeah, I think we'll do that and buy a bale fork for it. Yeah, that's dealership's tractor. So we'll put a bale fork on it and we'll see how much it would cost to get this thing not painted up. It stops rust, but it should be alright. So we'll see. Repair 3 grand. I think it's definitely worth it for full repair, and then we need to put that on in case we want a front weight, and that should do. How much horsepower has this got? 94. What's it got base? I'm pretty sure it's 60. Yeah, it's 60, so that's 3M, I believe. 60 horsepower, 3M. Won't paint it up, that's extra money. You may think, oh, but you got loads of money. That quickly goes sometimes, huh? I did get mod there. Or was this? Not mod. Yes, mod. Can't remember. But, yeah, we'll buy that. It's one of those ones that's may go in the straw choppers, but oh well. And then we also need a bale trailer, so I have main mods after reinstalling the game, so I'm just going through and remind myself what I downloaded earlier. What did I download? Ah, Marston trailer. Yes. Yeah, that one will do. And we need some bales, so I'm not going to go too many. Last time that didn't end well. What's actually, I should check discounts. Okay, not much. A mower. That is a front mower, but it'll work on the back. How much? Too much. Wait, no, not too much horsepower. Yeah, we'll buy that. We'll pick up when we come to needing it. But you buy bales first. We do have a field again in with the farm. Square bale. Yeah, that will be easier to stack without a backboard. I'll just buy 4, but I'll buy them like this, because then they're easier to move. Do they require straw? What are these? Oh, I can buy smaller bales. I'll buy smaller straw. We'll buy some. Yes, they do require straw. That's why I've got a straw blower mod. Okay, so we'll buy 4 of these slightly smaller bales, because I didn't realise that this was part of that pack. Been lovely to know. We have some near straw blower. One that we can run. So 60 horsepower. There. What's the difference? That one's more expensive. I see no difference. That one's just heavier. Oh, it's got a bigger chute. Okay. Oh, so Manchester, Tahana, front loader. Okay, so we'll go front loader, and I'll buy a rear weight for the tractor. Good job I did buy the small straw bales. So, weights. We will go for this one. Is there anything else I need? Whilst I'm here, don't think so. Okay. Our tractor works better now. As you can see, full repair bar on the bottom. Hang on. Bear with me as I remember my directions. Bottom right corner. Sorry, my mind just went blank there. So. Oh, and by the way, before I get correcting comments, I'm 90% sure that it isn't horse farming. That's not the right terminology, I'm pretty sure. And I know that. It's just, so it should be like equestrian work or equestrian farming work or whatever. But I don't care. I'm a noob when it comes to this, and using incorrect grammar and wording shows that better. I've been playing FS13 and Demolition Company Gold, so the whole shifting gears thing is left in my mind. Back when I started back when I was like doing this more, it was like second nature. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten how to shift gears in a real tractor. Not that much of an idiot. Oh, that's why it's going so slow, you have to attach hoses. Forgot about that. I've also been playing FS17 and manufacturing that don't attach hoses for most implements. Yeah, I've been playing 17 in my spare time, but 13's the roleplay. Obviously breaks this tractor on that great. I was wondering, like, hang on, this is slower than the real tractors. Normally farm sim goes faster. Hang on, beacons. Need the beacons, a legal requirement. That might have lowered the recording quality. I should have tested that before I started recording. Okay, well. If I just do that and go grab the weight quickly. We need a Motherboard mod in Farm Sim. I might try to make one myself. If anyone else is good at modding or is just a modder, could you make one please? Because I feel like if I make one it will be terrible. I can provide real sounds too. For those who don't know, because a lot of my audience is American, Motherboards are popular telehandler in the UK. And also, if you own a John Deere telehandler, you own a green Motherboard that's had body wrap. Why do you think John Deere bought Motherboard? Plus the 4400 series telehandlers were produced by Motherboard anyway before John Deere bought them, so you know. Oh wait, I need to lift that, hang on. There we go. Be more effective then, won't it? This one's just going to be a short one too, because I've got homework to do as well, so that's why I couldn't record yesterday. I had homework, I'm afraid, so and I do upload these recordings on the day they're uploaded now. Before they were like recorded the day before, pre-recorded. Now they're now they're just recorded, and then I edit them straight away and then upload them. I if you think macbo's rubbish, you've probably never worked with Mac. Because everyone that I know that had a macbo but sold it regrets selling it. So yeah, probably never worked. Or you're just used to other telehandlers. Okay, if you've only ever tried the pivot steer rigid handlers, consider trying out the side beams if you're more used to side beams. They make wheel loaders too. Side beams are TS270 is one I know. It's like the side beam TR250. That's not sideways. And I believe the wheel loaders, one of them is TC 370 maybe? I can't quite remember. I'm not, well, I do. I'm very into macbo, but I don't know the technicalities of what I don't own. I only own two TR250s, the original Terran TR250s with the little gear stick that you pulled up for the gears and the levers instead of joystick, and the TR250 PowerShift Plus, which is not as good, but it's the only one we can use, because there's a whole lot of problems with our older one, including the axle casing's cracked. There's a lot of engine work needs doing, but we had that one since new and bought PowerShift Plus after. But PowerShift Plus has weaker axles. It whines. Pretty sure it yeah, they have the same transmission as the New Hollands. Wasn't the old New Hollands, you know. Yeah. I mean, transmission's broken in the one we're using, the PowerShift, but we gotta use it, so. Oh, and the other week I didn't upload at all. That was, if you remember, I'd stopped filming a survival roleplay because of my headache. Yeah, I had that cold and headache so bad the whole week that I didn't go to school and I was too ill to record, so sorry about that. Which button there? Yeah, I'm used to FS13 where you had all the different buttons for multiple stages, cruise control when you could go too fast doing a job. Fun fact, if you go too fast when ploughing in FS13 for too long, the plough detaches itself. Which is realistic. If you went too fast with a plough, something would break off. They should add that back in. No. I can't quite remember. Field 7, so. Okay. I hear church bells. I've not got my window open, so it's not Truro Cathedral. The sound effects in this map. Was it Truro Cathedral? Hang on. It's not Truro Cathedral, I took my headphones off. Anyone else just completely wish they could take the Slow Tanker to school with a full load and give the school new paint, new coat of paint. New paint, okay. Or is it just me? I can't be the only one. Okay, so next proper raid, like concrete raid. I've got a bunch of horse mods too in the game, so oh, and you know, there's that pack for decor stuff. Now there's a wheel loader, yeah? That wheel loader is from Demolition Company, the game that Giants made. It's a worker wheel loader. I've been playing that a lot recently for survival play, and yeah. Can't remember how to lower the cruise control. There we go. So it's probably an idea to lower the cruise control in the corners. I'm going to bring these bears back, ride the horses. I'll feed the horses off camera, and then I'll, yeah, on the vlog, because I need to get this uploaded. I'm doing daily uploads, I need to sort this out. I don't know what's up with my mirrors. They should be working. I turned the mirrors on. Oh, it's annoying that I actually did put the air conditioning add-on on. If you didn't know, on these tractors back when they were made, there was an option to have air conditioning, except in 7, 8, 10 Silver Jubilees. But they were special. Hang on. Have I overshot it? No. Okay. Because the 7, 8, 10 Silver Jubilees were... Oh yeah, there's my farm over there. Or our farm, the farm. But yeah, they were like special. They were to mark 10 years of the 10 series tractors. But yeah, if you didn't have air freshener, there was just like a plastic bit covering the hole where that would go. Because they manufactured it, all the parts the same. They just made some with air conditioning, some without. These days, it's it's standard. But if it was optional these days, should I do what they do with most options? You order it, and then they produce it to your specifications in the factory, and then deliver that tractor to you. It's not like made with all the different ones and then sent out and you pick one like it used to be. Some aspects that's better, sometimes it's worse. You have to wait for your tractor then, but well, wait longer. Well, back where it was these things, just had paperwork you had to sort out for them. From Ford New Holland. I hate it when people say Ford and New Holland are the same thing. They're different. Ford made the tractors until they made tractors until the first 10 series. Ford New Holland made the 10 series 4s, 2 and 3s, and some other tractors in between, like the 40 series Zebra, which was drop nose Deutsch in the skies. But actually we might be able to just drive over a trigger here. We'll find out. Where's that feed trigger? Oh, it's in there, isn't it? Give me a second. I didn't buy a kit before I built this farm. So we'll see if this tractor will fit. Should do. It's got the standard wheels for this model on it. And not too sure about the trailer. Wait, is the feed trigger in there? Yes. Oh, the other door's wider. The other door's wider, we're going in there. I'll back it in. Come on. Go into gear. Skirt. Right, that open both, yes. Let's go. We might actually be able to just back in there and let the trigger take it off the tree. Stop. Okay. And now I've just dropped down. Oh, dropped down again. Don't actually know what gear I'm in. R3. Okay. Because there's just numbers for the reverse gears, but in the forward gears it's the numbers and which dual power you're in. See, the little range square that's normally just the range is the actual range, or circling, and the the range letters on the gear numbers is the dual power I worked out. Pretty sure internationals